Everyone, in today's I'm gonna show to you how to get NordVPN. So basically what you have to do, first of all, make sure to click the link in this video description, and then you're gonna get redirected to a page similar to this, but instead of 2-year plan, you're gonna see 3-year plan, only if you use the link in my video description, and you're gonna get a huge discount. So what you have to do is simply click on get plus, and after that you'll have to simply enter your email address, and then simply choose the payment method. So you can see you have credit or debit card, you have Google Pay, PayPal, and cryptocurrencies. And after that, you'll have to simply pay. So here you're gonna get a huge discount if you use the link in this video description. And after that, you'll have to simply go back to NordVPN, and then simply click on download VPN, and then simply click on download app, and then simply install it, and then use the account you used to buy NordVPN. But keep in mind, don't forget to use the link in this video description, otherwise you won't get the huge discount. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.